The coastal storm is gone, but chilly air is on the way. I'm meteorologist Joe Martucci. See our radar, you see that storm quickly moving to the north and east here. Good snowstorm for eastern New England and even the northern half of the state in New Jersey. These were our snowfall totals, or at least the early ones that have been trickling in. And I know these numbers are hard to see, but you get the gist. Anywhere that has this purple, that's where the highest totals were. Galloway, a trace of sleet, 0.5 inches of snow and sleet in Medford, go out west of Philly, an inch over there. Then once you start getting into Monmouth County and Freehold, 3.2, totals get higher. And then Morristown, 7 inches of snow. And in this purple and pink area, anywhere between 6 to 9 inches of heavy, wet snow fell. Here is our morning satellite. Cold front associated with that low pressure system is moving eastward out to sea here. And then we have another cold front out in interior New England that will be pushing through, bringing us colder weather and really unlocking the potential of this high pressure system. Now, notice these colors here over in Wisconsin, Iowa, and Minnesota. That is actually very cold air. See, this is an infrared satellite that picks up the heat or lack thereof. Typically, clouds are very cold at the top, but if we have a clear sky, the satellite can feel its way down to the ground. And if temperatures are cold enough like this there, it is picking up temperatures -6 degrees or colder across the northern plains. In South Jersey, temperatures in the mid-30s for 8 a.m. Not bad for this time of year. 32-degree lines pretty much right along I-95 and where you see those blues there in the snowpack. But Youngstown, 8 degrees. Erie, 10 degrees. Very cold weather for early March, even for them, and that is going to be pushing eastward with time as we go over the next couple of days. These are our record breaker temperatures, and we go from anywhere within 3 degrees of the record, and then as the colors get bluer and bluer, we either tie the daily record, set the daily record, or get a March record. You see a lot of these darker blues here in the upper Midwest and into the plain states, and they are going to be pushing eastward with time into our area. This is just another look at what we were showing before. 24-hour temperature change. We have our scale here, and a lot of these darker blues, 12 degrees colder than 24 hours ago, going all the way to 40 degrees colder than 24 hours ago, and that will be pushing its way eastward as we go over the next 24 hours. Now, when we get this cold air, question is, how unprecedented is this? Well, we are going to see one day with a temperature at or below 32 degrees. Typically, our last one would be on February 20th, so we are about 2 weeks later than that. Temperatures at or below 20 degrees, it's still relatively common for this time of year. However, low temperature at or below 15 degrees, and we will see one night with that. That is uncommon, as February 23rd is the last day for that on average. For today, relatively average, about 5 degrees below average. Still a chilly day, but not that bad here for early March. We will see a clearing sky into the afternoon, and then we cool down quickly. Low temperatures in the upper teens here for South Jersey. That is 10 degrees below average for this time of year. You're going to want the coat plus an extra jacket on top of that, or a scarf or a pair of gloves as you're waking up on Tuesday morning. Then temperatures on Tuesday, again, about 10 degrees below average. Now, the thing is, with plentiful sunshine, it won't be feeling all that cold for early March, given that the sun angle is higher. And if you're in your car driving around on Tuesday, you might not even need the heat. We look to our mainland 7-day forecast. I think you will need the heat on Wednesday. Not only could we tie a record cold temperature, at least for the afternoon temperatures, but wind chills will be in the teens with a northwest wind around 15 miles an hour. Then 11, that is it for our Wednesday night. We flip over to the shore, even 17 there. Then we're hovering in the 30s for Thursday and Friday. Another system here for Friday. Looks to be of the rain and snow variety here. We should be on the northern fringe of this system. And if you heard me say that before, that's because that's how most of our systems have been. If we get the snow, it has been something to our south that we're on the northern fringe of. And then we go into the weekend, we get warmer and wetter as we go into Sunday. And like I've been saying over the past 2 weeks or so, once we got to the second weekend of March, winter as we know it would end here in South Jersey. We will have more updates for you on this cold air to come and more. Follow me on social media or on our website, pressofac.com/weather.